So, what is the importance of today?
Uh, Independence Day.
Yes.
We are celebrating Independence Day, right? Which Independence Day we are celebrating today?
78.
78th Independence Day. So, how do you celebrate today?
It was very good at our school.
Hmm.
The flag hosting was very good.
Okay.
I was studying in a hostel of Tadipalli.
Okay.
It was celebrated very good. Our chief guest from Tadipalli, a lawyer.
Lawyer. Okay. So, what is the message you understand from this celebration of 78th Independence Day?
I really don't think about the Independence Day was really fine because yesterday it was a good rain that could
Farmer leaders,
So,
their
you have
struggles.
the rain in your school.
yes.
I am asking you about what is the message you get from this Independence Day celebration about our country and our nationality.
We just explained 2-3 minutes.
Actually, these days the factories are more, the bikes and more technologies are polluting our environment.
Okay.
So,
Speak in English.
so it might be good if we stop using these bikes and use any kind of battery bikes, so that would a little
Okay, right. So, which leader is impressing you from the freedom fighters? Who is the leader you can take an example in your life?
Allu Sitaram.
Okay.
What?
What qualities or what
Mahatma Gandhi.
admires you by looking at Allu Sitaram?
No fears,
Very good.
bravery,
Very good.
daring,
Daring and dashing.
Any other personality?
maybe
Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi.
So you like our father of the nation? Who is the father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi. So he is the backbone behind everything, right?
Yes,
To bring freedom for our nation.
If he would not be there, we would get the freedom before 1 year.
Yes.
Fine, sir.
How are you, man? Say, man. Open your mouth and say.
I'm fine, sir.
Are you eating something? This looks good for you. Are you peacock? Huh? Say that.
Yes, sir.
You are a peacock. Or what else? Bruce Lee? Recently we celebrated independence, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you like that?
Want freedom.
Nora, do you like about Independence Day celebration? What have you done in that? Dance. Say to the.
We are dancing.
We are dancing, no, we danced.
We danced.
Past tense we have to say, not present. What is the song name?
Himmat Nato.
Himacho Nato.
Mr. Raghupati Rao.
Can you show one step? By sitting.
Yes.
Yeah, by sitting you can show some step, no? Yes, Himacho Nacho. What have you done for Independence Day? Skit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the message you get from Independence Day? Farmer. What is the message you get from Independence Day? Message. You don't get any message. Oh God. Which Independence Day we celebrated?
78.
78th. Not 8.
78 to August 15th.
Independence Day.
24.
What you will tell to people of India?
August 15th.
Say Happy Independence Day to all.
Happy 78th Independence Day.
Independence Day must be
For all
celebrated
Indian fans.
every day.
Every day.
All Indian
Like-
fans. You have all Indian fans. Huh? Oh, you are a pan India.
India.
You? What about you? You say Happy Independence Day
Happy
to all.
Independence Day to all.
Every day is an
Every day
independence.
is an Independence Day.
So be free.
Be free.
From
We
all.
can sleep anywhere.
Have you done homeworks?
Yes, sir.
Are you free in the school first of all?
Yes, sir. Free.
Free,
sir.
you
We
did
can
not get
sleep anywhere,
freedom.
sir.
You can sleep anywhere.
Yes, sir. Nothing except bathroom.
Only sleeping. Nothing going
No,
on.
sir. Reading. We can study anywhere, sir.
Anyway, say some three words to all people. What do you like? And tell to the
I
people.
want games.
You want games?
And sir, I will tell fundamental rights.
What are other three things? You like games? Then
I like reading.
reading books. Say reading books.
Reading stories.
Okay, reading story books. He is a little extra man. He will say whatever he like. Third thing,
I think I like in hostel, sir.
You like hostel. What you like in the hostel? Everything.
Everything
Okay. What are three things
except
you like?
bathroom. I want
Huh? What are three things you like?
some playing.
Some playing. No. Playing at some times. Huh?
Sir,
Huh.
playing.
Huh.
I want to study dictionary.
Studying dictionary and verifying new words. Referring the new words. Third one. What is the third thing you like?
Songs. I like the school, sir.
Singing songs in the exam time. Very good. Learn from this person. Singing songs during exam times. Okay, good. Stop video.
The cameraman is Ajay.
Photo. Cameraman is Ajay. And the butterfly man is
Butterfly is Jagan. Jagan. Yes. You keep man one time. Sharath, we come.
For me, you don't want to keep.
Kiritam. Nice. Not giving. Sir, wait,
Now,
sir. Code punja.
Hey, camera, code punj it seems.
Sir, wait, sir. This one is. Sir, is code punja.